Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Miss Harshita and today I'm here with another story. Today's story is inspired by a book, Be Kind, by the author Bedzet Lowe, illustrated by Jen Hill. And it is also one of my favorite stories. What does it mean to be kind? Is it helping someone when they need? Or sharing with your brothers and sisters? Or being generous and gentle with your friends? Is being kind biggest act or smallest act which is the most powerful? Let's see. This is Chutki. She spilled grape juice yesterday all over her new dress. Everyone in the class laughed. Spilled juice, so funny. I almost laughed too. But my mama says to be kind, so I tried. I told her purple is my favorite color. I thought she would smile, but instead she didn't look at anyone. While painting, I thought, should I have handed her my napkin or given her my extra pair of frock or spilled the juice on me instead? What does it mean to be kind anyway? What does it mean kind to you? What does it mean someone to be kind to you? Maybe it's giving or helping Mr. Rinaldi bake cookies who lives alone. It can be simple as helping in the kitchen, putting away dirty dishes in the sink, picking up your laundry, helping mama, making up your bed, helping your friends, your classmates in their studies, helping the messy guinea pig, the messy eater in your class. It can be letting someone with smaller feet your too tight shoes. He might win races in them too. It can be simple as listening to your grandma's story over and over again, even you have heard them before. Being kind should be complimenting someone, telling your mama she looked so pretty, offering her flowers, addressing people by their name. Hello Megha, good afternoon teacher. Hi Kala. My mom says being kind should be very easy, just like throwing away a wrapper or recycling a bottle. Maybe I cannot solve Chutki's grape juice problem, but I can sit beside her and paint purple because I know purple is her favorite color too. My small deed of kindness will help other people's small deed of kindness and further other people. Like this, it will grow into big, something very big. And this place will be a better place to live. Maybe we can have a big bubble of kindness, a world full of kindness. I want you all to be very, very kind. Being kind can be difficult too when you exactly know what to do. Teaching someone something he's not good at is tricky even when I'm being patient. I might not be able to solve her problem, but I will try to be kind so that this world is a better place to live and we all feel loved. I want you all to do a small deed of kindness. Help your parents, help yourself to be very, very kind. I daily offer um, water in a bowl, and food for birds outside my balcony. I'm sure you all might be doing same. If not, it's not too late. This is summer season and birds are feeling really very thirsty. Help birds and see how you feel very good inside. I want you all to stay home, safe and happy. Be creative. Meet you soon. Bye bye.